My name is Doris and I am from Taylor, South Carolina, and I am married, and we run our own business, and I teach fitness classes. I have been involved in secular yoga since 2008, and the difference is I can be myself on that mat. I can worship my Jesus. I don't feel uncomfortable doing that, and I have words of life spoken over me through my classes. And meeting Jesus on my mat has helped me heal, because I can just face down, pour my heart out to Him. It's so good to have sisters in Christ to love you up and speak those words, those continual words of truth over you, and just praying for you, because as the days have went on, I have felt better, I have felt lifted, I have felt stronger, because I've got these sisters that are praying for me, lifting me up. I love yoga, I love Jesus, and I love that the organization, YogaFaith, puts Jesus first, because that is the most important thing should be in anyone's life. But yoga is important too.